Welcome, children. Today we are going to learn the topic highest common factor HCF. Let us start the session with a recap. What is a factor? Factor of a number is the number which completely divides the number without leaving a remainder. Then, what is a multiple? A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. And we know that a number is a multiple of each of its factors. From our earlier classes, we have been learning the properties of factors and multiples. In previous classes, we did some questions based on the concepts common factors and common multiples. What is prime factorization? The process of expressing a given number as a product of prime factor. Also, we learned that every composite number can be factorized into prime factors in one and only one way except for the order of the factors. And we learned some divisibility test also. We have learned about factors, multiples, common factors, and common multiples. In this section, we shall learn how to compare factors of groups of numbers and find the largest that is common to them. This is also known as their highest common factor or HCF. The highest common factor of two or more given number is the highest of their common factors. In another word, the HCF of two or more number is the largest number that divides all the given numbers exactly. This is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD. Here we are going to find the HCF by using prime factorization method. Let us move to the exercise 3.6. See the D part of the question number 1. Find the HCF of 27 and 63. Here the given numbers are 27 and 63. To find the HCF of the given numbers, we have to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. 27, which is divisible by 3. 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. So that we can write the prime factorization of 27 as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 63, which is divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3. 21, which is divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 is a prime number, so 1 7 is 7. So 63 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now identify the common prime factors. Identify the common prime factors. Here the common prime factors are 3 and 3. That means 3 occurring twice. So that the HCF of the given numbers is 3 multiplied by 3, which gives 9. E part of the question number 1. Find the HCF of 36 and 84. First of all, what should we do? We have to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. 36, which is divisible by 2. 1 2 is 2. Remainder is 1. 16. 8 2s are 16. 18 is divisible by 2. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. Therefore, 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 84, which is divisible by 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 42 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. 21 is divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21. 1 7 is 7 because 7 is a prime number. So that 84 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Here, the common factors are 2, 2 and 3. So that the HCF of the given numbers is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that gives 12. G part of the question number 1. Find the HCF of 70, 105 and 175. To find the HCF of the given group of number, we have to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. 70, which is divisible by 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 1, 10, 5 2s are 10, 35 is divisible by 5, so 7 5s are 35, 1 7 is 7 because 7 is a prime. Next, 105, which is divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9, remainder is 1, 15, 5 3s are 15. 35 is divisible by 5, 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7. Next, 175, which is divisible by 5, 3 5s are 15, remainder is 2, 25, 5 5s are 25, 35 is divisible by 5, so 7 5s are 35, 1 7 is 7. Now, we can write the prime factorization of 70 as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, and that of 105 is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, and that of 175 as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Here the common factors are 5 and 7. The common factors are 5 and 7, so that the HCF of the given group of numbers is 5 multiplied by 7, which gives 35. H part of the question number 1. Find the HCF of 91, 112 and 49. Here the given numbers are 91, 112 and 49. First of all, we have to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. We know. So, 91, which is divisible by 7. 1 7 is 7. Remainder is 2, 21. 3 7s are 21. 13 is a prime. So, 113 is 13. Next, 112, which is divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 1, 12, 6 2s are 12. 56 is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 16, 8 2s are 16. 28 is divisible by 2, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. 14 is divisible by 2, 7 2s are 14, 7 is a prime, so 1 7 is 7. Then 49. 49 is divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. 1 7 is 7. Now 91 can be written as 7 multiplied by 13. 112 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. And 49 can be written as 7 multiplied by 7. Now identify the common factors. Here the common factor, the only one common factor is 7. So that the HCF of the given group of numbers is 7. Exercise 3.6, question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? The common factor of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Let us check. Consider 2 and 3. The factors of 2 are 1, 2. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Here the common factor is only 1. Therefore, the highest common factor, that is HCF, is 1. See the second one. What is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers? The common factors of two consecutive even numbers are 1 and 2. Therefore, their highest common factor is 1 multiplied by 2, which gives 2. Let us check. See, take two consecutive even numbers, 2 and 4. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Here the common factors are 1 and 2. Therefore, their product value is the highest common factor. C part of the question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers? Take two consecutive odd numbers, 3 and 5. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Here the common factor is only 1. Therefore, the common factor of two consecutive odd numbers is always 1. Therefore, the HCF is equal to 1. Question number 3. HCF of coprime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 and 15 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Since there is no common prime factors, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? See, 0 is not the prime factors of any number. So, the answer is not correct. But 1 is always the prime factor of coprime number, so that the correct HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Children, I hope you all understood the session. Let us move to homework questions. Thank you, children.